Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Hey, well, God, blessed Sunday, my people, man, as I respect each and every one. So here's a word of advice that I think is good. Never light any type of fire anywhere close at all to where there's a gas station pump or any form of gas pump. No, do not do that. See, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when fire somehow started close to where there's gas pump or fuel pump. That's so some people might call something like that. You see me? I said, now I pay attention to persons sitting at a certain spot. You see me? I say, I'm going to look at the video and try and get a good understanding as to how this fire might have started. Viewer discretion is advised for this video that I'm about to present to you. Look and observe, and then I'm going to point out something after. So, look at that truck right there, so. Look at those persons sitting right at a certain spot. You know, someone. Look at that person. Do you see that? Look at the person's hand. Danger! Danger! But hold on. But hold on. Look, hold on. Now, at least one person responded and the fire someone had to be put out, isn't it? See, this is why we say at least. You see it? Oh my. Eh? That was a close one. That was a close one. See? But hold on, let me see what else happened before we point out. No like no fire nowhere near no fuel station and no farmer fuel pump or anything like that. Don't do that. Look, just wait. Hold on. I hope this video can bring some form of awareness to people. Now look at this now, see? Alright, now, more I look at this right now, isn't it? Now, one of those persons who was sitting at that spot, you know, somewhat light some type of fire with something in it. See me I say? Do not light fire anywhere close to where there is any type of fuel pump. And if gas truck as well and them thing there. So me I say, don't do it. It can be dangerous. Alright, so take a look at this situation right here. So, alright, so this video shows some things that happen when someone took at least one thing from out of a motor vehicle. What I saw happen in this video, I consider it to be stealing viewers and subscribers. As a man said, now this had been done in a sneaky way, in my point of view. I hope this video can also bring some form of awareness. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Here I come.
Alright, look at this video. Take notice that a person walk up to a motor vehicle and the person walk one of the doors of the motor vehicle, but look what the person do as well. You see that?
Look at the big and the big.
I'm not sure what the person put inside of the motor vehicle. But look. Look it.
Look me, I was chasing them. You can't get it.
Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened because of a situation where Two persons who were traveling on a motorcycle were being chased by police. But the situation reached to a point where those persons who was on that motorcycle fell off the motorcycle and the police motor vehicle, I'm going to say, went off road and crashed or just crashed. You see it? Police was somehow able to apprehend those persons, viewers, subscribers, because a part of the video shows at least one law enforcer pointing something or a type of weapon in the direction of those persons, as I say, and so forth. You see? But the overall situation, my people, the overall situation look highly dangerous. It just look bad. I'm not sure where this video be recorded, but it really looked bad. I'm not sure what those persons were doing or what might have caused the situation, but it looked bad. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Watch it. Is it? You see what I'm going to some people? Hold on, little people. Hold on. You see what I'm going to some people watching? Now, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that, but based on how me see those persons were somewhat down, yeah, I think I assume. I assume. Yeah. Now, my people, I want to take a look at these two pieces of videos and tell me if these two pieces of videos actually shows the same house at a dangerous spot.
From the man plays my God, look at the home and lose him home. Jaja. Wicked piece of ball game, my friend, man. Tell. Rough.
So I say, because I look at these two pieces of videos, I say similarities. You see? But yeah, the thing though, same, and it really actually sad, it's set away. I mean, I don't want to sound too bad, because in my point of view, and I'm not being disrespectful, but in my point of view, that land they look like it a break away slowly, or that spot look like it a break away, the dirt a wash away, or so forth. You see me, I say, and I think I see what look like the remains of a motor vehicle in another video. He said away my people. So I got the understanding that police are investigating to determine the death of an 11-year-old boy whose body had been found or discovered at a location or at his home in Manchester, Jamaica. And the thing about it is that it is suspected that the child might have committed suicide. But police are investigating to determine what exactly might have caused the child's death. According to a news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, preliminary reports from the police are that the boy was left at home on Friday morning when his mother went to assist in cleanup activities at Devon Primary in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, or Category 5 Hurricane Melissa. And then in the same article, I see some words that the mother reportedly told police she returned home and didn't see her son. Police said she informed the child's father that the boy wasn't at home. Police said 2 hours later, while doing laundry, the woman saw her son's body at the back of an old storeroom. The police were then alerted. Detectives are awaiting postmortem to determine the cause of death or the cause of the child's death. Another news article that I read, your subscribers, have some words that are not exactly the same but somewhat similar, because we notice Mrs. Storeroom as well in that news article, with other words like on the premises and all these things. So I said to you, me Friday as well in the same news article too that I'm talking about now, as well as the other news article. My people, it really and truly is a sad situation overall, and I'm wondering what's going on, because the amount of suspected suicide cases that I've heard about and all them things, and I'm talking about for this year alone, more so other times within other years. Yes, I mean, I say it just really and truly sad, and I'm wondering what's going on. You see what I'm saying to you? And to each and every parent, don't be afraid to sit down and have a talk with your child, because you may never know what's going on in their thoughts. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?